How septic tank solids impact drain field performance. A septic system depends on balance. The septic tank separates wastewater into sludge, scum, and effluent. When septic tank solids are not controlled, they move into the drain field and cause serious damage. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key ways septic tank solids affect the drain field. 1. Clogging soil pores. Drain fields work by filtering liquid through soil. Escaping solids block these tiny pores, slowing absorption and creating backups. 2. Biomat overgrowth. Some solids feed bacteria that form a biomat layer. A thin layer is helpful, but too much creates a barrier that prevents water from soaking into the soil. 3. Reduced absorption. When solids escape, the soil's ability to treat wastewater drops. This allows untreated water to reach groundwater and nearby areas. 4. System overload. Excessive solids shorten the lifespan of the drain field. What should last decades may fail early, leading to costly repairs. 5. Environmental hazards. Blocked drain fields may release contaminants and harmful bacteria into soil and water, creating risks for health and the environment. 6. Warning signs. Slow drains, pooling water above the drain field, and foul odors often indicate that solids are overwhelming the system. 7. Prevention steps. Regular pumping, inspections, and mindful water use help keep solids under control. These simple steps protect the drain field from failure. Septic tank solids directly affect drain field performance. Without proper maintenance, they clog soil, create thick biomats, and reduce absorption, leading to costly breakdowns and health hazards. With regular care, a septic system can function efficiently for many years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.